This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, we will have to download and install the free third-party app that goes by the name of Caffeine, since the default system means does not allow us to change the auto screen off timer to never. Then launch the aforementioned app once downloaded and installed, and in here just make sure that the timeout section has been set to be infinite, and as long as the Caffeine app runs and stays active in the background, so make sure not to turn it off, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.